Hello everyone, myself Sabreen and I'm a student of 10th standard. Today I want to share with you my experience of attending a Lifeskill Workshop. First of all, I would like to thank you my teachers who gave me this opportunity to speak about my experience and specialize in a skill development. So during the workshop, we explore a range of topics which are essential for our life, like communication, teamwork. So we did a different type of activities, techniques, and we participate in different types of things which we can apply in our daily life. One of the most impactful exercise which we did, it was a teamwork. In this, we learned how to deal with a big challenges in a short time, and in this I learned how to deal with a team member, and how to talk with a team member. So second exercise which we participate in this exercise, our leader sir, he gave us a challenge to make a paper chain. And this there was 5 teams and there are different team members. We have to make a paper chain, and sir have gave us a paper, a scissor and a sellotape. By using this we have to make a paper chain. And there was a most important thing, it was we can't use our 2 hands, we can only use our 1 hand. Without talking we have to make a paper chain. So we did this and it was so amazing. I learned how to deal in this situation. I learned how to make the paper chain, and I learned how to do teamwork, and I learned how we can talk by using eye communication. And second exercise also, our leader has given us a paper and there was a 5 question which we have to ask our friends which are gathered in a life skill workshop. So there was question like that, who have experience of swimming, who had completed a whole dictionary, and who has the shoes number of 4. So this question we have to ask our friends. So we did this all thing. This was so amazing. I enjoyed it. My friends also enjoyed it. So this all my experience about life skill, and there was a different type of thing which we learned. So you also should to come like that workshop and knowing new things. So thank you so much for listening.